Yeah, g'day, Bush Camping Tools here. Well, I've got something with me new today. This is the Panthera II, and it's a Sammi Stinner design, Professor Sammi Stinner from Austria. This is a Fox Knives production model. Let's have a closer look at it. Right, okay, so the Panthera II. This is Fox Knives production of pie knives, and pie knives originated from Sammi Stinner in Austria. So I'll talk about that actual model a little later on, but the Fox one is essentially the same, except the steel, the blade steel, is now 440C instead of Bowler's K110D2, and it's 5mm across the spine here, not 6mm, and we've got rivets, alloy rivets in the G10 handle. The handle is essentially the same. This is an ergonomic style handle, and I have to say it's pretty comfortable and very grippy without gloves. This is a bit of a cutting knife more than a chopper. It's a full flat grind and a little bit of a fuller here and on that side there. Very sharp, lots of blade real estate. It's an 8-inch blade. Plus some wood. This is not really a chopper, this knife, because it doesn't have the weight, but what you can do is weaken the thing a bit. This is beech, so it's really hard. It's a bit wet, this, but a bit of jerky. That's pretty good. This is good jerky. Very good. Lots of protein. Alright. Okay, I want to talk about the design. To me, this is a smaller version of a yataghan, a knife which was predominant, this blade shape with a slight recurve in here. You can see a very slight recurve and a bit of a belly there towards the tip. And this is kind of, you know, reminiscent of knives from the Ottoman Empire design sort of thing. I don't know where Professor Stinner got the actual blade shape from, but I've seen blade shapes like this, and you've seen it in my yataghan blog if you've read that. I haven't made a video about it, about the blade shape, but yeah, this is more of a cutting knife. As I said, it's a full flat grind. It's 5mm thick, so despite it being quite a long knife, you know, 8 inches, a good 8 inches, lots of blade real estate, it's not too heavy in the pack to carry, but it is a big knife. It's a big long knife, and I think it would fare fairly well for fishing. If you have to do fishing, camping, fishing, you want a sturdy camp knife, plus also a knife that you can handle, you know, gutting and filleting fish with. This is a full Kydex scabbard. I'll just put that in there. It's got a good, hear that? It's got a good secure thing on there. Just going to take that off and show you. You got a quick release clip here. You see this? By pressing this in, and if you slide this across, you can lock that, so you can't press that in and undo that. So that's like that. Okay. So the other thing that came with the scabbard is a fire steel, pretty generous fire steel on there. We'll see whether we can get a spark up on that with that, and it fits in there from here. There's a split here. You see that split, which expands in the Kydex to apply some friction. But you could always, you know, put a bit of elastic there, and it comes with a striker. Let's see if we can get a spark up with the knife. Okay, let's move on. And definitely throw a spark up. Yep. Okay, so this is the summary of the Panthera II. I think it's a good knife for camping. It's not a chopper though. You got to remember, even though it's a big knife, it's a knife for cutting, preparing food, a few heavy-duty, you know, camp duties, but it's not a chopper because the weight is not distributed well for a chopper, but it is a very good cutting knife, full flat grind, very comfortable. It's very cold here now too. I've had wet hands before. I don't, you know, I can grip that handle very, very well. It's no hot spots on the hand. It's pretty good, and it's got a good sturdy scabbard, and it comes with a fire steel on there. So yeah, there you go. Panthera II, pie knives design and produced by Fox in 440C stainless steel. Thanks for watching. Bush Camping Tools here.